Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can save your JPG as PDF on iPhone. So let's say you have multiple photos which is on JPEG format on your iPhone gallery. So some of my photos are on JPEG format. So right now I'm going to change it into PDF using my iPhone. And how I can do that? Well, just follow the steps so you guys will know it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first thing, you want to select all the picture you want to convert as PDF. So for that, you need to click on select option, which is going to be at the top right on your gallery, and I will select the photos. Once you select the photo, at the bottom left corner you can see this little arrow pointing up button. Click on it. Once you do that, you want to scroll a bit down and click on this option called print. Once you click on this option called print, it's going to show you loading preview. So wait for some time until the preview is done. And it's going to show you all of the photos which you have chosen. So once you see all the video which you have just chosen, what you can do is just click on the photo. Once you click on the photo, it's going to show you the preview. So what you want to do is zoom into the photo. So just like use two of your fingers and pinch it and then zoom it. Just do that. Whatever action you do when you zoom into your photo, just do that, alright? Once you do that, it's going to show you this. So what you want to do when you're over here is click on this little arrow pointing up button at the top, at the bottom left again. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down and click on this option called Save to Files. Once you click on Save to Files, you want to choose at which location you want it to be saved. So I want it to be saved right over here. So I will just click on Save at the top right, and it's going to be saved. Once I do that, basically I can just go visit my file. So I'm going to click on Files on my iPhone. Now you need to go to the place where you just saved your photo. So you need to choose which location that photo is saved on. Mine's over here, and as you guys can see where it says photo, I can hold on it and click on where it says get info. And as you guys can see, it's in photo.pdf format. So that's how you guys can convert your image from JPEG to PDF on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.